Most D2C brands spend their holidays reacting to their competitors. I spent mine anticipating them. While everyone else was scrambling in November, my counter campaign was already finished in August because I saw my competition strategy forming 3 months early. I'm moving from vibe coding to vibe solutioning at Rocket.new. Let's dive in. This is Rocket.new, and what these guys do is completely changing the way successful businesses are operating. Most AI tools will help you build faster, but none of them will actually tell you what to build. Now, this is the exact problem that Rocket.new solves. When we log in, we can see a very familiar screen. Now, this is to keep the customer at ease, but also allow you to access different parts of your dashboard with efficiency. So here we can see our prompt box, and we can see a bunch of other options too. If we want to create a new project, we click the Create New Project button. So here we're going with a holiday gifting campaign for premium candles. So for this example, we're going to be analyzing the premium scented candle market, where competitors are A/B testing holiday bundles and hidden winter collection pages. So here we have our prompt, and we've said to analyze the premium scented candle market for the upcoming holiday season. Research competitors that are testing holiday bundles, seasonal collections, hidden landing pages, gift sets, and limited edition products. We've also given it more descriptions of what to look for, and once we're happy, we simply press the Solve button. Now, when you submit a prompt, Rocket doesn't just look for one answer. It decomposes the situation, breaking your market research into thousands of sub-investigations across digital sources, and it's performing the manual work of a high-level marketing analyst. Instead of just scraping a few pages, it investigates across thousands of data points simultaneously to produce a recommendation that you can actually act on. The result is a structured campaign strategy, in this case focusing on personalized gifting, custom labels, and curated sets to differentiate from the generic bundles the competition is shipping. Now, it's done this in a massive document, and we can go through and read and basically learn everything about the market that we're attacking. Next, let's take a look at intelligence. This is where it gets interesting, because intelligence is more than just information. Rocket Track monitors 6 categories, including website changes and ad creative, to catch your competitors testing hidden landing pages before they even link them to their main navigation. Here, we can see a track report showing a competitor testing holiday preview in August. For this, I'm using pre-tracked URLs because Track needs 24 to 36 hours to build full historical data. That you'd see initial signals for your own brand in just 3 to 4 hours. Here we can see we've got key signals, we've got data coverage, we've got activity heat maps, and everything is laid out in a good and intuitive way. Next, let's build something. So we're building a seasonal campaign landing page that feels like a luxury gifting experience. So we've entered in a prompt here, as well as the brand personality. Now let's let this thing work for a little bit and see what it comes back with. From my experience using this so far, I would say the intelligence of this AI is way further along than a lot of other platforms out there. Here we can see the output here, and you can see this isn't a wireframe. We're generating a high-end design with choose their personality interactions for curated gift sets. The website has live integrations to make this a functional business. We can see we have a full landing page here. We can see the niche or subcategory of each of these products as well. And this doesn't just apply to this niche. You could basically apply this to anything. Now, what about live integrations? Well, here we can see there are tons of different integrations we can do here, whether it's Google or whether it's Stripe. If we want to wire in Stripe or Google here, it's a simple sign-in process, as we can see here. And this will allow our people to bundle checkouts or use something like MailChimp for an early access email sequence. Now, because all of this is inside the same project, Rocket already knows the personalized gifting strategy from Solve and the pricing signals from Track. To connect our database, all we have to do is log into our Supabase account, authorize that, and then it'll be set up very quickly. Now our website has Google and a database integrated within a matter of minutes. Now, what about context and collaboration or compounding value? Well, what we're going to do is open a new task here and create a social media teaser with assets. And because of everything we've already done, Rocket already knows the brand aesthetic, the pricing structure, and the campaign timeline without you needing to paste in a single word. So that's the context, but what about the collaborators? Well, what we can do with the Collaborators tab is actually invite a freelance designer to the project, and they don't need a briefing call. They can see the competitive intelligence and strategic reasoning immediately. Overall, I am incredibly impressed with this product, and I've never seen something so sophisticated and intelligent as this. This is definitely something I would highly recommend check it out. Stop guessing and start building with evidence. Get a head start on your competition at Rocket.new. That's going to be it for me. I'll see you in the next video.